day has arrived. It is Thursday, April the 30th, and the Alabama Gulf Coast beaches are scheduled to reopen here shortly. Give you a little video of who's showing up. We're going down to Cotton Bayou today down in Orange Beach. See how many people show up right at 5 o'clock and take a little stroll down the beach for a change. Thank you for watching the videos and stay safe. Lifeguards and patrols getting the barricades up, getting ready to open up. Crews are arriving with the trailers to start picking up the barricades. The majority of the barricades have been taken up here at Romar Beach access. Just a handful there blocking the entrance until 5 o'clock. Cotton Bayou public beach access still sits empty. That's going to change here in just a next little bit as the beaches reopen at 5 o'clock. Very windy out here today. Not sure how well you can see it through this camera, but across the way there, the little area underneath the Perdido Pass Bridge, they have barricaded it off where there's barricades coming from the dunes down to the water line. That portion of the beach will remain closed until further notice, but all of this other opens up at 5 o'clock. And we are just a few minutes away from the beaches being reopened. People starting to gather there at the boardwalk. News crews are setting up, getting ready to film everyone coming down the boardwalk for the first time during the reopening. Parking lot's starting to fill in a little more now. And the beaches are reopened.
Condo there.
Okay. And we are going, we were at